Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial on using voting buttons in Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're on Windows or Mac, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, open Outlook and click on New Email to start composing your message. Now, head over to the Options tab. You can choose from these built-in options. Approve, Reject, for seeking authorization. Yes, No, ideal for quick polls. Yes, No, maybe, provides an alternative response. Custom, create your own button names, e.g., choosing meeting days. Pick the one that suits your needs. Compose your email as usual and hit send to share your message with the voting buttons. Recipients can vote directly in the reading pane or in an open message. To view responses, open the original message and check the tracking section. Voila, you're now a Voting Buttons Pro. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Outlook tips.